Hello kids, let's learn to 2D self drawing and this color fill. Kids, first color, green color, light pink color, orange color, pink color, blue color, light green color, yellow color, red color and sky blue color. Kids, self drawing, black color, black color kids, rectangle, circle, cylindrical, pentagon, heart, rounded square, green color, rectangle, orange color kids, circle, brown color kids, cylindrical, black color kids, pentagon, sky blue color kids, sky blue color kids, heart, light pink color, pink color, rounded square, rectangle, circle, cylindrical, pentagon, heart, rounded square. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.